Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in Springwatch. We've got 10 videos coming to you, 5 last week, 5 this week, focusing on all things spring. It's the new mini catalogue has come out on the 5th of January, goes to the end of June, and we've got Celebration just 2 months this year, January and February, and I'm focusing on all things from both of those catalogues and brochures. And today I'm going with the Berry Blessings pair that you can get. So in the catalogue, I can show you the inside of the catalogue now on page 14. This is the Celebration brochure. On this page here, you can earn yourself a whole pack of 12 by 12 paper and the gorgeous stamp set for free with a £90 or €120 order. So if you haven't got a copy of the brochure, just let me know. I have sent bunches of them out, dozens, actually hundreds, probably about 900 of them out, but I can still send more. All the information about what you can get for free during Celebration, also how to join. And when you join, it costs £99 to join. You can choose £130 worth of stuff that you want and get 5 free packs of colour designer series paper, 200 sheets that is, and it's stuff that, this is a pattern we haven't got yet. It's coming out in the annual catalogue, but you can get your hands on it early. So that's £99 to join, £130 worth of product and all the free paper in euros, 129 to join, 175 worth of product. So like I say, I'm working with the Berry Blessings and I kind of felt I had to make a basket, and this is a fold flat basket. You can make it in advance and it will store completely flat, totally flat as a pancake. So berries, it had to be a basket, didn't it? It was either that or a cat, because one of my cats is called Berry. So 12 by 12, and hey, it's free. You're going to use it. 12 by 12 inches, 30 by 30 centimetres. On the first side, score it at 3 inches and 9 inches, which is 7.5 and 22.5. And then on the second side, score it at 4.5 and 7.5, which is 11.25 and 18.75 centimetres. And this is a simple bag, really, it's very simple to make. This, I love this blueberry shade. I kind of almost wish we had blueberry bushel still, but the colour that goes particularly, or the two colours that go with this are Pacific Point and Night of Navy. Because blueberries aren't actually blue, are they? Not in real life anyway. Okay, so if you hold it this way round, where you've got the score lines towards the centre and that way up, what we're going to do is we're going to bend it and put a score line in this part here. So you fold it up and let me put some marker on here so you can see. Okay, so I'm going to put my finger at this point and I'm going to create a diagonal line to there by folding in and catching this straight line here and making it line up with that one, but obviously on the outside. So nigh on impossible to do on camera. Let me see if you can see that. So I've taken this line here and I've folded it to meet this line here. And then you simply push in with your fingers or a bone folder, and that has created that mark there. Okay, so you just keep doing that all the way around. And obviously I find it easier to do when I'm looking at it than when I'm not. Oops, it's nearly going the wrong way there. I have in the past inadvertently gone in the other direction and then accidentally made a really good looking bag, but I deliberately want to do it like this today. And that is as simple as it is, and you literally, it will pull together and hold like that. However, we've got gapey bits here and I don't like gapey bits, so I'm going to grab some glue just into this part that's above where I put in my score. So it's just this section here. on all those sides. And then you simply go like that. Oh, stick yourself to it. Go like that. And that's how you store it. Folded flat, completely, totally and utterly for the future. But when you open it up, and you noticed I didn't do heavy burnished score lines because I actually want it to go out either side between my fingers, as you can see. Such fun. Right, let me punch some holes in here. Want smaller holes. The front and back is the same. There is no front and back. There's not an official front and back anyway. I've got some Night of Navy thin ribbon here. It's from a collection in the annual catalogue. I don't remember which one though. I said this the other day in a video. I buy ribbon and just use it with whatever project I fancy. I don't stick sweet to sweet. If a ribbon from one sweet suits a project from another sweet, I'm going to use it. But I do know by the fact that this is white on both sides, it comes at least with with one or two other ribbons. I'm laughing because it's recycling day, and one of my neighbours is out there. They've just put some really jangly bottles in their recycling bin. That's just really tickled me. Okay, I'm just clipping that because, you know, I need extra hands. And I'm going to tie this in a bow. And my ribbon's going to be wibbly and twisty all over the place, and I don't mind. Handmade from the heart. Don't expect a decent ribbon as well. Oh, I can't even get hold of it. Oh, for goodness sake. There we go. Actually, that's not bad. It could have been worse, and actually I quite like the curly bit. Unintentional, but you know, happy accident. Okay, so obviously as part of the bundle, you have the stamp set too. And I want to use the berries. I've no idea what the berries are meant to look like. What are they meant to come with? I suspect those. Let me have a look. Yes, this one is what they're meant to come with. So I'm going to get those out and let them relax on there. And the blueberries and a phrase. Wishing you the very best. That's just cute. Right, I've got some semi-scrap and I'm going to go, I think 4 by 3 inches, which is 10 by 7.5 centimetres. So, and I'm going to make everything fit that. Oh, look at that, one's 4 inches already. Okay, let me get some blocks handy. That's probably far too big. And then I'm for my word. Right, so I've got Night of Navy and Pacific Point here ready. And I'm going to do the outline first because I think that's how it's meant to be. What way up are these meant to go? I don't know. You know, fruit, vegetables, flowers, all of that. No idea. And where do they place? I don't know. I think like that. Kind of. Oh yeah, that works. Okay, that's good. And then wishing you the very best on there. I might put, should I put some more there? Would that be daft? Oh no, that's the wrong one anyway. I could try that. We can try that. We don't know yet. Oh, what do you know? That fitted perfectly. I did not know that would fit. Let's just hope that when I put my berry centres in, they fit too. So, can't really see what I'm doing, but oh, that worked. And I probably need garden green for the leaf parts. And then that one. Oh, I've wibbled that completely. It's okay, it's handmade. Made from the heart, I tell you, made from the heart. And then I was doing so well. Oh well. Do a better job than me. And then I'm going to pop that on the front. And that, along with my original one, which I need to re-tie up, is my berry basket using berry blessings. And I'm surprised my berry hasn't come, having heard her name so many times. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.